Hi, hello, my dear learners.
How are you?
I am doing well, thank you. How about you?
What are you doing?
I am just working right now.
Where are you going?
I am heading to the store. Do you need anything?
Can you help me?
Sure. What do you need help with?
What's yours name?
My name is Lashy.
How was your day?
It was good, thank you. How was yours?
What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading and going for walks. How about you?
Can I ask you a question?
Of course. What would you like to know?
Have you eaten?
Yes, I had lunch a little while ago. How about you?
Do you have a book?
Yes, I have a book.
Can you pass me the water?
Sure, here it is.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I want some food.
Is there a chair available?
Yes, you can sit here.
Can you close the door?
Yes, I will close it now.
Do you have a pen?
Yes, I have a pen.
Can I help you?
Yes, please.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee.